attention, had to give it up.
Hey, what's up? Welcome. I'm Sonayah. Welcome back if you're not new here. So we're gonna be braiding my hair today, and I'm using 2 blonde, 2 red, and 1 burgundy pack of a long hair. Let's just get into it. I decided to use these colors because I really wanted bright colors, and these were the only bright colors they had in the long packs. Now I'm showing you the length of the hair, like me literally braiding it down all the way to the bottom. I had to like hold the hair like with my chin. Oh my gosh. It's so freaking long. So I definitely did not have to feed any hair in. And one thing about this hair though that I really don't like is that it tangles so bad. But some people, they comb the hair through before they even braid it. But me, yo, I am not about to do that at all. So to like break the hair, at times I had to literally use my feet. I know that sounds so disgusting, but yo, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. So I'm just giving you a look, a close-up. This is right when I got done. Like, it's stiff and all of that, and it hurts so bad, by the way.
Purchase your tracks today.
So I'm just showing you the ends, the hair period, and this is before I actually dip it. So scraggly looking with like 0 movement. So now we are dipping the hair. So when I dipped this hair, I took like groups and I dipped it, and I literally went all the way, like as far as I could to my head. Like I cut out a lot, so I mean you don't see me, you just see in like this part. That's pretty much what I do for my whole head. Even the back. I try to go down as far as I can. So yeah, this is what we looking like after it is dipped. Definitely not stiff anymore. Feels so much better. Looks better. For sure, for sure. Bam. Kapow. Kapowie. Look how freaking long it is. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. The colors, the colors, the colors. Look at the ends. So pretty, not stiff. So this took me 3 days to do. Yes, 3 freaking days. And this is the day after. Like, I literally finished it completely. I had stuff to do, so I couldn't like just do a 1-day situation. No. So yeah, it was broken into 3 days. And because it was so long, that's why it really, like, the tangling and everything. Oh my gosh. So I'm giving you just, like, I guess another close-up, like day after close-up. So beautiful, so pretty. I love the colors. If only it was yellow, pink, or green. But I'm going to be doing that, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for being here. You're truly appreciated. Please be sure to check out my other videos. And yeah, see you later. Bye.